Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nick's Toy Garage, and I'm back. I know it's been a while since I uploaded my last video, but there's a very good reason. I've been busy. A lot. That's why my hands are still dirty. I washed them a million times, but nobody cares. So I have two boxes to unbox today. We have a good one and a slightly less good one. So let's start with the good one. Well, I don't really know if it's a good one. I just bought it sight unseen. So that's always good. Starting with a Matchbox. This is a Matchbox, I think. Matchbox, the Sea King, the blah 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 convoy thingy-majig. It's a lovely boat. Or ship. Then we have the trailer. This is a nice one. This is a Major Pack number 7 Jennings cattle truck. And I think there is the actual truck. This is the Henderson tractor, the Major Pack number 9. I think this is supposed to go together. Very nice. And next we have... Oh, it's missing the light on top. We have the not the Major Pack, the Ford Galaxy. I think it's the fire truck, fire chief's car. Next we have... What is this? Oh, I really like this one. I'm going to restore this one, not this one, another one, in a slightly worse shape because, well... clickbait. This is the Land Rover. It's upside down. It is the Matchbox series Land Rover Safari with the roof rack and the lovely looking glass that is broken. I think there it is broken. Yes, that's not something I need. That's empty. Ooh, there's something in here. Next we have. Ooh, that's interesting. This is the Jeep Hot Rod, and it apparently cost £1. I think that's supposed to be a pound sign. It has a V8 engine in the front and not much else. Oh, I see some. What's this? This is a Matchbox MG2. What? Somebody tell me what this is. It's an MG, I think. Yes, it's an MG. It's a lovely looking car. I don't think the racing numbers are original. Correct me if I'm wrong. Another tissue. Nice. Ooh, something. Ooh. Ooh, but it doesn't have the spare wheel. I have one of these with a spare wheel. This is actually called the Rotenhoff Super Atlantic Tractor. Nice one to restore. A-pillars are still intact. That's always awesome. Next, there's something more in here. There's a lot more. We have a random trailer. Then we have a Citroen by Maserati with the, I think there's a V6 engine. Correct me if I'm wrong. The SM, a lovely looking car. These shot up in value in real life. Obviously this one isn't, but in real life these are really valuable. And then we have something really cool. This is a Lesney England. That's all that's on it. I was hoping there was some more information on it, but this is, I think, one of the original Matchbox. Well, it was called Leslie back then. This is really cool and definitely worth restoring really soon, I think. Well, restoring, it's actually in really good shape. It's a little bit bent on top, but should make for a fun project. And then, oh, there's more! Oh, this is the radio rentals. What's on the bottom? The TV service van. And that should be everything in this first box. Awesome. On to the slightly less interesting box. Because there are a lot of, well, things like this. It's still cool, but it's just not something I can, well, do anything with. So in this box, I'm going to move my camera by moving my hand, obviously. We have a, well, this is actually pretty cool. Is it Matchbox? It is Matchbox. It's the super, it's upside down. It is the, go out. It's something, I don't know. Then we have a lovely looking trailer with a, ooh, the Michael Schumacher collection Nürburgring edition. Well, space truck. Is it Mercedes? I think it is. Then something fell. I don't know what. Oh, the boat. The boat fell. Nobody cares about the boat. Then something interesting. This is interesting. This is it's a Hot Wheels. This thing is definitely worth restoring. And yes, I switched hands, in my opinion. This would look really cool in two-tone. Definitely going on the list right after this video. Then we have a majorette, a Range Rover with a, it's kind of a rescue team. Awesome. Next, let's grab them in the box. We have a plastic, I think this is just made in China, nothing really interesting. Gonna move my light a little bit closer so you can actually see what's in the box. Next, something, a Porsche, I think is a Boxer, yes, Boxster. Then we have, actually, ooh, this one, oh yeah, for a second I thought it was a Smash, but this is a crazy car. It literally says crazy car. This would have been fun for the 4x4 build at Matchbox Garage. Ooh, this is I'm going to do this one, I think. Then we have, ooh, something, is it a Hot Wheels? No, it's a Majorette, it's the Excalibur. Ooh, and it has both headlights, so it is really restorable. The glass is intact, the interior is there. Definitely going to restore it. This is a pretty good box, actually. I'm surprised. Then we have a Matchbox, but nothing really interesting. We have a newer Hot Wheels. Nice one. Next, what is this? This is the Matchbox Planet Scout. This could make for a very fun series, actually. And we have some more construction vehicles, nothing that interesting. Ooh, no, not at all. We have a train. This is a Matchbox Super Fast, and it is the Shunter. Sure. Then we have Optimus Prime in the wrong color. Then we have a Majorette I can't read. Explorator. Nice. I can probably restore these two. That's not a used t-shirt, it's from the other box. Then we have a Hot Wheels. This is a 69 Copo Corvette. Really nice one. Really, I'm starting to really like this box. We have another Morgan. I have a lot of these. Only have one with actual the roof. That's probably really rare. Like I just said. Then we have a trailer. Next we have a this is a, I have no idea. Please tell me what this is. No idea. Another construction thingy, another truck, and a helicopter. We have, ooh, this is nice. This is just rough enough to be. Should I do Mad Max or full-on customs? I can use this engine really good. Next we have a Matchbox. Finally, the Griffo. This is actually, the glass is broken. I don't think you can get the glass. That's a shame. Oh, I know it's broken. I think I can probably fix the glass. I don't know. We have a fire truck. We have a Ford, I think it is. Ford Focus, yes. Then we have new Hot Wheels. Oh, another one of these. The McDonald's Hot Wheels. Actually, I have two of these. I was going to do a custom on one of these, so maybe in the future, who knows. Another exporter. Then we have a Muscle, literally the Muscle from Yum Yada Yada Yada, made in China. We have another fire trucky. Oh, it's actually a Matchbox. I wasn't expecting that. We have the Snorkel fire engine, but that is probably missing quite a lot of the back. The box isn't even, it's still a lot. We have a Mini. Nothing. Ooh! I really like this. This is a Corgi Junior, the Citroën Diane. This is actually what happened with the windshield. You cannot see through it. That's dangerous, but it's still intact, I think. And is the trunk? I think the trunk is broken. I can probably fix that. Probably. Maybe. Then we have a, damn, what happened to the bottom? A Jeep Cherokee, but the bottom is just eaten. We have an actual working winch with the Matchbox. We have a truck. This is a Majorette. We have a Matchbox Shamel Contractor. Missing the grill, but still really good to restore. Then we have, oh, is this made in France? Obviously the majorette. Why are the seats on top? Is this a is this major? Oh, can I take the, sorry to block the camera. Oh, I can't take the trunk lid, it doesn't open. Is this Citroen's take on the Popemobile? Probably. Then we have, that's nothing. That's made in China. The, what's this? Is that a shoe? There's a shoe. What is? Does this open? I'm not gonna break it. Then we have the police 6-wheel Matchbox. We have, ooh, I really like this one actually. Toyota pickup. I have one of these, but with yeah, the mirrors are broken off and it got a different paint. I am actually planning to making a toy boater, like not this toy boater, like Top Gear. Then we have, not even going to ask. This is another match. No, this is Matchbox. First time I think it's a Matchbox and it's a Matchbox. Awesome. Then we have, ooh, Lightning, the Chevy Pro Stocker. See, there is something in me that wants to make this into a show car, but the other part just says leave it alone. It has a nice paint job. Another one, almost, this is a Chevy Pro, the same. Then we have, what is this one called? I can't remember for the life of me. The Fantastic. I wish it was in worse shape, but actually I can do custom on this one. Yeah, is this the Mustang piston popper grill? Not sure. It's still not empty. This is gonna be a long video. Trailer, let's just take out the junk, actually. There's no junk in this is just awesome. Then we have a Ford Transit, I think. Another Lamborghini. We have I get cramp in my leg, Oh, that hurts, Okay, sorry for the awkward angle. Professionalism. Another Pepsi Chevy Pro Stocker. Then we have a, ooh, is this, yes, it's a Matchbox. I can restore this one, I think. This is a Porsche. A BP Porsche. We have a BMW. We have a truck. A Renault 11. That's kind of awesome, actually. Then we have a Swamp Rat. Looks pretty cool, actually. Made in China. Ooh, that's a Corgi space shuttle. That's something interesting to restore. I definitely, okay, I was wrong from this box. This is an awesome box. We have a Ford, I think it's a Bronco. Is it a Bronco? I'm looking to the screen, so I don't know. It's flare side pickup. We have the Dune Buggy, the Sand Digger. Whoa, and it's falling. This would be awesome to restore. Make it a, I don't know. Then we have a nice looking Chrysler, I think. No, is it a Chrysler? Oh, the grill is falling off. I don't know what this is. It's a Formula 1 car from Majorette. Another Porsche. What is this? Made in China. Super GT. Oh, it's unfocusing. Then we have, I did one of these, I think. This is the Cherokee. Yes, I did one. Link will be right there. If I remember, probably not. Then we have another Excalibur with the missing headlights. Trailer. Something. No, it's Matchbox. Another Porsche. This is definitely Majorette. You can see it by the wheels. It's Majorette, the Porsche Turbo. I think I can really do I can do a restoration / customization this one. Actually make it look, well, good. Then having another what is this? Yatming and a Hot Wheels. We have a Formula 1 car. This we have a Tracker. And we have a this is a Matchbox. What is it? Ford Sierra 4x4. Awesome. Yeah, another one of these. Another one of these. We have this one. Oh, the bumper is broken. This would have been the ultimate Toyota 4-wheel drive, the ultimate build. Don't ask. Ooh, it's gone. Then we have a station wagon from Hot Wheels. This aggravates me. When I did the build-off against the Metro's Garage at the 4x4, I actually had one of these, the Safari, with the white one of these. But it wasn't raced like this, and I actually raced it, the car, and I didn't know there was a raced version of this. Yes. That's actually everything in this box. And there it is, the thing I fell. This is a Corvette Grand Sport. That's everything in the box. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in the next restoration. Bye.